Hello everyone, welcome to IMS GATE Academy. Here is an update for GATE 2025. Yes, when you will go to the official website of GATE 2025, you can see one latest notification is there for information brochure of GATE 2025. Yes, when you will click here, you can see, okay, two options for information brochure and poster. So poster already we discussed earlier. Now when I will click here, on the new, so this brochure of 167 pages will be open for you. So if you want, you can see everything is available in this information brochure. Okay, first of all, they mention the categories also. When I will talk about the highlights, so they mention each and every thing, means the GATE 2025 dates also, 1st, 2nd, 15 and 16 February. Okay, what is the pattern of the examination will be held in the two session, forenoon and afternoon. It will be a CBT, that also they mention. Okay, total of 30 test paper will be in the English language, will be English, everything, the paper pattern or in the question. You can see three type of question: MCQ, MSQ and NAT also. All right, now other than this, dates already we know. Now this is the important thing, ki online application form will start filling from the 24th August and last date will be 26 September. So please be ready, as today is the 16th and it is going to start very soon. So from the 24th you need to start filling the form. You should not wait for the last date, ki okay, the last date is the 26 September, we will fill it later. No, you need to be as early as possible, you need to fill the form, because at the last time always rush will be there and sometimes the website also not working properly. So please use it as early as possible. Fees is also mentioned here. Okay, about the they mention each and everything about the pattern of the examination also. Okay, now negative marking is there. Now here I want to show you. So they mention highlights of GATE 25, pattern of the examination, introduction, about GATE. Okay, and if I will show you, so you can see introduction about GATE also. They mentioned actually the category wise. First is the pre-examination related information. So in pre-examination, what is the eligibility, GATE 25 test paper, distribution of marks, examination cities, and then they mention the application process also, how to fill the form. As you need to be very much attentive while filling the form, because when you will fill the form, in each and every mistake, or if you want to go for the correction, you need to pay the fees for correction. Okay, so that's why please be aware. So you need to check, okay, these details also: GATE 25 application fee, online application process, filling in 25 application, okay, which identity proof you required. So please go through this one, how to fill the application process. Okay, now then GATE 25 examination related information is also there, ki what is the examination duration and 25 question paper, type of question, marks distribution, design of question. Okay, they will show you ki how they will design the question, what will be the base of question, it's also mentioned here. Okay, marking scheme, distribution of marks in general aptitude question paper, architecture, it's mentioned the branch wise also. Okay, the next thing is here, post-exam related information is also mentioned. GATE score, when they will release the GATE score, calculation of normalized marks for multi-session paper, calculation of GATE score for all test paper, GATE 25 result, GATE 25 scoreboard, everything they mention even. And one I told you, one very important thing is also mentioned here. I will show you here before that. This is the thing, pre-examination related to here. This is the administration scholarship. Okay, because lots of the students are having issue ki ma'am, which type of scholarship we will get. So here they mention scholarship or assistantship for the postgraduate exam also. This is the one very important thing, use of GATE score for the employment, where you can use the GATE score. So they mention, as I will open this page also for you, let's check it out, I will show you. So here administration is mentioned. They mentioned the zone wise also, zone 1, 2, 3, 4, who is the administrating institute, that is also mentioned. Scholarship assistant for postgraduate, what will be the scholarship. And I want to talk about this one, because lots of the students are having issue ki ma'am, if we will cover the GATE exam, or if we will have a good score in the GATE exam, then where we are eligible, where we can apply. So look at here. So in past, lots of the PSUs have used GATE score to shortlisting the candidate for employment, just like here AAI, okay, BHEL, BSNL, Coal India, Central for Railway, Chenab, CVVL, okay, Damodar Valley. So lots of the institutes they mention. other than this, direct recruitment to group A level post in the central government, that is senior field officer tele, senior research officer crypto, senior research officer S&T in cabinet secretariat also. They in these position you can get direct recruitment on the basis of your GATE scorecard बच्चों. Okay, government of India is now being carried out on these base of the GATE score. So detail of the scheme of recruitment are normally published in the national newspaper or the employment news or Rozgar Samachar by the concerned authority. So they mention lots of the things बच्चों here. So that's why every student can just go through with this one. Acha. Here also they mention the important dates. Online application will start. Okay. Online application will start from the 24th August. Okay, closing date is 26th September. End of extended period, if you will fill the form by the late fees, that will be 7th October. And then last date for change of category paper examination city, adding a new test paper, whatever you want to change here, personal detail, it will be November 6th. And here they mention the examination date also they mention 1st, 2nd, 15, 16, and admit cards will be available from the 2nd January 2025. Okay, and after that they mention the announcement of result will be around 19th March, and scorecard available for free download. Okay, so if you will just you want to download your scorecard after the GATE exam, then this will be the window where you can download in the free. But after that, if you will download from the June to the December, you need to pay 500 rupees per test paper for downloading the scorecard also. Though each and every detail, dear students, this is surely a very good thing for all the students. So please read complete thing, whatever is required, you can just read it. Okay, as you can download this brochure also, so later on also you can read. So right now, so you need to read the pre-examination and the application process. These two things, just go with this one, and after that you can go with the GATE examination paper pattern also for having better understanding. Okay, dear students, so you can get this one at the official website of GATE 2025 only. Check it out. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.